So now I'm going to add the palings to the fence. So we're going to insert paling. And we're going to insert it right in the top there. So the same thing again. We're always using the fastening mate. I want to go to the top of there and just checking. There, finished, and then there you can see that the paling is in the right place, and then we'll put the next one in, insert paling 2, and this time we can join the edge to the edge of the paling. So select fastening again, want the middle of that, and then where's the other paling gone? I can't see it. Maybe I made a mistake there, so let's get rid of that. Maybe I didn't click on the plus. Oh, that is hiding behind. There it is behind. Okay. You see where it is now in three-dimensional space. Let's try that again. Sometimes I guess we lose things, so that happens. So again, we're in the middle of that, and then there it is. It doesn't matter if I choose this side, it will just flip it round. And because they are where's it gone? Okay, so it's disappeared, but I've got to find it. There it is. So I was just using the scroll. I think what it's done is it's put them on top of each other, so I'm going to edit that, which is good. Yeah, put it on top of it. So making these mistakes, if we flip that, there we go. So it's flipped it around and now we can see it. So that's a common thing to happen. I'll do one more and then you can do the rest yourself, I think. Just put the next paling on and then it's a case of just, so insert paling 3. Let's put that there. Okay, again, as you can see, it's behind the other one. Spin that round there. Fastening that there, and this time we'll put it on the middle there, accept. And it's actually better to choose the two faces and not flip it over, because you can see then it fits in place. All right. So that's all that you will need to do is continue to insert palings 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and make them in just exactly the same way, and then you'll end up with a finished fence. Okay, good as gold. Thank you for watching.